Mic check. Mic check. All right. What is going on, Strike a Heart? Much love, bro. Strike a Heart, I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you, bro. Let's go, man. I wasn't planning on going live tonight. I really was not going to go live tonight. But, you know, there's a lot happening right now. There's just a lot going on. So, I went ahead. I said, you know what? I'm going to do a live stream anyways. So this live stream was not planned. I really just pulled this together just now to make this happen. So shout out to all of you that do show up for this surprise live stream. Much love to you guys, man. The real MVPs are always in the chat. It's you guys. Strega Heart says, I got a lot happening, bro. Me too. Me too, bro. Me too. But you know what's got more happening, Strega Heart? The crypto market. Trump pumping the market, man. I mean, we need to stay grounded here. We need to stay grounded here. There's a lot happening and we really need to stay grounded because this is the time. This is honestly the time when people do start to get a little too euphoric. This is the time when people do start to make those decisions, those hasty decisions. This is the time when the FOMO kicks in. So this is the time when we have got to lock in. And with that being said, thank you guys for locking in with me tonight on the live. I appreciate you. Today's been a pretty good day for me. I'm an average Joe. I'm an average Joe. I'm just like you. I'm just like you and you and you and you and you. I am an average dude that seen crypto as a way to achieve financial freedom. I seen crypto as a way out, bro. I seen it as the way out back in 2018. That's why you go to my X profile and it says chasing my dreams since 2018, bro. Because it was 2018 when I learned about Bitcoin. It was 2018 when I learned about cryptocurrency, and it was 2018 when I realized that my life could change because of this. And that is why I'm here with you guys to share that journey with you and to show you guys that anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. But let's get into what is at hand here, guys. What is at hand? What is at hand? Because there's a lot going on. Okay, Bitcoin at $111,000 currently. Ethereum holding 4,500 support so far. Dogecoin squeezing and consolidating here on the 30-minute between support and resistance at close to 22 cents. Solana holding 200 as of right now. CRO. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful CRO. Cronos right now just looking beautiful. We did run up and hit 28, almost 29 cents. I mean, pushing 30 cents. CRO is pushing 30 cents. Pushing 30 cents right here. And I'm here for it, bro. I'm here for it. Excuse the music, bro. Oh. Mm-mm. Okay. We doing a little bit better now. That's much better. Let's go. Let's go. If you're rocking with me tonight, smash the like button. If you're rocking with us tonight, smash the like button. Let's go. Hello from Greece, Makis Evo. What's going on in the chat, man? Thank you. Appreciate you being here, bro. Mike, welcome back, bro. Good to see you back. Is it time to sell? What's your opinion? I think it has higher to go personally. Well, Mike, let's analyze it together, man. And thank you for being here, bro. Let's go, man. We got to stay hydrated. It feels good to be here, man. It feels good to be here, bro. Personally, I'm not selling anything, bro. I'm not selling anything yet. I personally do not think it's time to sell anything yet. Unless you're trying to, you know, I mean, unless you're trying to make a quick little play or something, I don't think it's time to sell your crypto. I don't think it's definitely not time to sell your altcoins. Mike, I enjoy you being here with us. Maki's Evo says CRO will hit $1 for sure. We wait 4 years for this moment. Let's go. Mike, I'm glad, bro. See, I totally don't think it's time to sell, man. Especially not altcoins. You know, hey, yeah, sure. Maybe if you got some Bitcoin that's in profits, if you're one of those people, I've already moved some stuff around. You know, if you got Bitcoin in profits, it might be a good time to. I'm not saying anything, but even BlackRock is selling their Bitcoin and buying ETH. Ethereum right now. What is ETH at right now? CRO. I bought CRO at 19 cents because I was not lucky like some of you guys to be in CRO early. But I managed to pull something off and got some at 19 cents, bro. And I did scrape a little off the top, got a little change off the top there. But ETH right now, 4,500, bro. ETH at 4,500. I tell you what, guys, it is a good time to be in crypto. It feels amazing right now to be in this space, and a lot of it has to do with the community, man. Here, the people in this space so far. I mean, there's bad apples on every tree, right? There's bad apples on every tree, but the people here in this space, man. The people here in this space is what is one of the main things. I mean, I love making money, but the people in this space, bro, I've came to find my tribe, man. I have found my people here. You know? What about you guys, man? Because I don't know about y'all, but I never fit in anywhere, bro. I never fit in anywhere. Nowhere. I didn't even fit in with the outcast, bro. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody wanted to go down the roads that I wanted to go down. Nobody was dreaming big enough. Nobody wanted to dream big enough, bro. And yes, I'm passionate. Yeah, I'm here. I'm present. Because damn it, I had a passion. I had a dream. I had a vision. I seen things for what it really was. I wasn't going to lie to myself. And here I am to share it with you guys, man. And that is what I mean when I say the community here is what I live for this shit, bro. I live for this. 100%. And I'm getting emotional, bro. And that's bad. Control the emotions. A little bit of emotions is okay, man. It's okay to be emotional, man. Emotions is what makes us human. But discipline is what controls those emotions. And that is where crypto comes in. Crypto will discipline your ass. It'll discipline your ass or you'll get the hell out. That's the truth. You all know it. I know it. Crypto will discipline you or you will get the hell out. You won't ever stay in this space without the discipline. That's right. Now, we got some altcoin plays right now booming. Let's get into it. I don't know about RGOAT. Right now, the market is seeing, a healthy correction. A healthy little minor pullback after this beautiful, beautiful rebound. And that's okay. We are seeing, right? We are seeing, whoa. Ha! My mouse pad is sensitive, bro. My bad. Let's just get off the heat map, bro. My mouse pad's sensitive today. Numeraire, though. Numeraire, which is an AI play. It's an OG AI play, right? Numeraire is nothing. It's not new. It's been here for a long time. Numeraire pumping today. This is the 30-minute chart, bro. It looks like a... I don't know what this looks like. It don't look like a 30-minute, though, does it? It looks beautiful. Numeraire pumping. I find this pretty awesome. Pretty awesome right here. That Numeraire is pumping. Nice ascending, broadening channel here. For Numeraire. Beautiful. But yes, let's jump into it, man. Thank you guys for being here. And welcome back. So we all know Trump Media just went all in on crypto with the $6.4 billion power play into CRO. And the markets have been going crazy. We got AI OG plays pumping today. Cronos is pumping almost to 30 cents, possibly to 30 cents on certain exchanges. Bitcoin and Ethereum are back in the green, holding some critical support at the moment. And the altcoin casino is wide open. We've got Trump, CRO, meme coins, AI plays, and some gainers today that'll blow your mind. Let's get into it. So here's the scoop. Trump Media has pumped CRO. We got Trump Media CRO Strategy Group. That's just crazy, bro. Trump Media and Technology Group is building a crypto war chest. They've put $105 million straight into CRO, lined up a SPAC merger under the ticker MCGA, got a $5 billion credit line to back it, and are aiming for $1 billion plus in crypto holdings. They're even talking about a $2 billion Bitcoin treasury. And they're not stopping there. CRO is set to be integrated into True Social. Politics is literally moving markets now. Love him or hate him, Trump just pumped Cronos 25-40% and put CRO on the global stage. And this is hot right now. This is hot. CRO has potential to make you some juicy gains in the rest of this bull run. While all this is going down, Bitcoin's sitting at $111,000. Ethereum, 4,500 and chilling. And the total market cap is knocking on that $4 trillion door again. But let's pull up CRO's chart. Big breakout move, key resistance ahead. But this kind of news flow can override the technicals. So let's just look at it. It's broken out on the larger time frames. It has broken out on the weekly. And it is one hell of a beautiful breakout, I will say. This is textbook perfect for CRO. This is a textbook perfect breakout and play of a descending triangle, descending wedge, descending, whatever you want to call it. It is descending and it is breaking. It is descending and it is breaking. It is broken all the way out. And we have massive, massive gains ahead if this measure move were to play out. CRO could run all the way to, honestly, our all-time high right there currently, 91 cents here. 91 cents or so. Easily run up and test that close to $1. I think the 285 target is beautiful. I think around 280, 270, 285, give or take, in that range up here is one hell of a target. And this is not nothing. This is a measurement on the weekly. So this is not just a line drawn in here. This is literally the measure move from this previous run, the previous bull cycle here. And I think this is absolutely doable for CRO. With this news pumping CRO, I think CRO is absolutely possible. I think it can reach this. What do you guys think? Believe it or not, I was told by 3 years ago. What? Okay. I believe you. I believe you. CRO at 25 cents currently. Now, I did want to point out these top gainers real quick, but the question is, do you fade CRO right now or do you ride the political pump? That's the real question. Do you ape into CRO right now? Do you ape into Cronos right now? Maki's Evo says, I will sell at $1 because my average cost is that 80 or 8 cents? $1.80. But I believe $1.80. So you think CRO will go to $1.80? Let's go. 100%, bro. 100%. We are already pushing 25 cents, 30 cents. We tried to knock on 30 cents door right there. CRO just tried to knock on 30 cents door right there. Question is, are you aping in here? Are you waiting for the pullback? How will you play this? Because look at this. Look at what CRO has broken out of here. We have broken out of some key weekly resistance here. We just broke out right here. We just broke out of key weekly resistance. What is going on, Deadwood? Welcome back, bro. Good to see you, my man. So we just broke key resistance here, guys. I mean, this is big. Weekly resistance. And we're breaking more than just the channel, right? CRO broke the channel resistance, right? Previous top there, previous top here. But we also broke the descending wedge resistance. Boom, boom. We broke it all. CRO right now, crypto.com. Let's go. Because we are above everything. I mean, we are in the territory that we want to be in. You know what I'm saying? So let's pump it up one time, folks. I tell you what, a back test of the downtrend possible. Even still, I am ready to go. Ready to go on CRO. Ready to go on CRO. Ready to go on CRO. I don't know about you guys, but I am going to hold my CRO. I'm holding it. If we back test, if we dip it and we back test, I might scoop a little more. If we dip, even think about going near 15 cents, bro. If we even think about going near 15 cents, I am absolutely scooping some more CRO. Now, there's a bunch of top gainers right now that are up like double digits. It's crazy. So while Trump's loading CRO, literally loading it, literally loading CRO up, the degen side of crypto is going absolutely nuts today. Literally, absolutely nuts today. You got RGOAT up like 1,000% today. Absolute meme rocket. Biggest pump of the day, bro. It's up like 1,000%, and I don't even know what the hell it is. I don't even know what it is. It's up 1,000%. You gotta love crypto, bro. You just gotta love it. How can you not love this, man? Only way you don't love this is if you're scared. We got NAYM I mean, Numeraire, Numeraire up a whopping 71%. I mean, Numeraire was up beautifully today. Numeraire shows here on the Binance chart currently up 33%, but we were up a lot. You've got Synthesizer, Sendog, an AI meme crossover. It's up 62%, was up 62% today. Friend.tech up 61%. Human Intelligence was up 51% today. Low cap breakout NAYM, ticker NAYM, was up 206% today. We've had just some crazy moonshots going on today, which is wild. It's weird, you know. Okay, ETH right now. Ooh, we just dipped. So we dipped just a couple of hours ago. We did dip slightly below 4,500 for ETH, but still trying to hold support. Testing 4,500 like a beast. Dogecoin still coiling up here. Ugh, testing support. Ready for a big move? Mike said it's so much fun watching all the Crow haters screaming and having temper tantrums. I'm loving it. Bro, why are people hating on Crow? Why are people hating on Crow? Why are people hating on this, man? Is it because they missed it? Hell, I didn't miss it, but I didn't get in as early as I could have. I'm not hating on it. I am all for everybody winning, man. I want everybody to win. I don't care. Life's too short to be a hater, bro. Life's too short to be a hater. All right, here we come with the back test, man. Here we come with the test of support. Here we come with it, man. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. Let's see what we did here. Are we still on the way to this target? Oh my gosh, let me zoom a little further out. Look at Bitcoin, man. Look at Bitcoin. You think how much farther we got to go, y'all? Me personally, look at this, bro. Blow off top. Blow off top. Blow off top coming December 2025 to a chart near you. $250,000 Bitcoin is possible if we run up and test this resistance of this channel, bro. That's a possibility. That's honestly a possibility. A $250,000 Bitcoin by the end of the year, in my opinion, is possible. I mean, granted, if we went up, if we topped out in November, give or take or so, it might make it slightly lower, but give or take. Either way, it looks good for a run up and test that resistance. And that's just one chart. I got like a bazillion Bitcoin charts with pointing to the same direction. I've got a lot of different angles pointing to the same price target. Besides sending a bad chat, what happened, bro? I'm confused. 200,000 CRO and building. That's amazing, bro. That's amazing. Bro. Yeah, CRO looking good, up 77% in the past week, bro. Cronos up 77% in the past week. How's our market cap looking? Honestly, This right here is mind-blowing. I think that's ridiculous. 20 million different cryptocurrencies. What? But our market cap's still right there. 3.87 trillion. I mean, almost at $4 trillion total market cap. I'll tell you what, it has been a good day though. I mean, these trades, I did pretty good there. Those are pretty good. I mean, that's honestly, it made up for CRO trading yesterday. I hit pretty good. I had a good call on CRO, and then I had a bad one. But I made up for it. I made up for it today though. That is wild. I posted on X earlier. I said, short it, I dare you. Short it, I dare you. There's no reason to be, there's no reason to be feeling any kind of way about it going down. It's okay. It's okay if it goes down. No reason to feel, any kind of way about it. Because, at the end of the day, it's all just magic internet money anyways. At the end of the day, it's all just magic internet money, right? Including the dollar. Including the fiat dollar, bro. Everything is just magic internet money. Even the dollar, man. Before the internet was even around. Didn't know it, but it was future magic internet money too, because now it's all digital on cards, just numbers on a screen. Half the cash ain't even at the banks, Shrimp sounds good, bro. Shrimp actually sounds good. I think I'm actually going to have some I think I'm gonna have some chicken enchiladas tonight. Some chicken enchiladas tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna go over. I think I'm gonna go visit with my mom, and I think she might have cooked some dinner. And you know what? You ever go visit with your mom and have dinner? It's always it's the best. It always will be. Yep. Blessed, bro. Blessed. Oh, bro, why y'all looking at me like that? Why y'all looking at me like that? Mike, if you only were here for the last bull cycle, bro, if you were only here for when we were pulling all night streams and doing hella giveaways, I mean, we gave away, I gave away $500 in Bitcoin when we hit 10K subscribers on YouTube. I gave away $500 in Bitcoin. I mean, I gave away ApeCoin when ApeCoin launched, and we did an all night stream, bro. We used to party hard, man, making hella money, getting. I'm just saying, we were making hella money, and we were having a lot of fun doing it in that bull cycle, bro. But honestly, it was too much, man. I went too hard, and I paid for it dearly, bro. I fell off big for a while. I couldn't. I mean, I did too much, man. I did way too much. You can ask Stragoheart, man. You can ask Deadwood. You can ask any of these guys in here that are the mods, man. You can ask them. They've been here A1 since day one. I went too hard, man. We created our own meme coin, bro. It pumped 17,000% in the bear market. I mean, and now we're going to cross-chain it to Solana because we were on ETH and we realized that the gas fees on ETH were killing us out. So we're cross-chaining over to Solana, baby. All those AJC holders that believed in me, bro, man, y'all are not gonna be let down, bro. You know what started out as a crazy experiment, man. It started out as a crazy experiment. That's all it was, man. I told you guys from the get-go. I was like, man, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. But now I've got a vision and I got a plan, bro, going forward. This time we're gonna do it right. Mike, yes sir. You know, we went crazy, bro. We went crazy. We did a lot. We had fun though. I'd say we were probably one of the most lit crypto live streams out there, bro. Legit. I'm not kidding. I don't care who. I love a lot of the crypto live streamers, bro. I love all of them, most of them. But like we were too lit. We were doing too much. We were doing too much, and it cost me, man. It cost me a lot. It cost me it cost me like, yeah, it just. But that's what happens, man. When you don't prepare yourself, for big wins, then sometimes it can backfire on you. You know, because when you're not ready, man, and then all of a sudden you just got everything going all at once, man, it's overwhelming. It's a lot. But if you got a plan going into it, man, ooh. I like that. Like I said though, this stream was not planned. I jumped on here real quick just to holler at you guys, man, and go over the market real quick because of all the big news surrounding CRO and everything going on. But I didn't plan on being on here for very long. I was hoping that we might get lucky. Look at that. I mean, we never did come down for this double bottom over here, but look what we did here. We did there. XRP, man, squeezing. It's beautiful, man. XRP is really squeezing in here. Nice. I like the 420, but honestly, the way we're squeezing, we probably ain't gonna break out till like down here somewhere. I mean, I really like the 420, but you know. What's up, Neo? Welcome back, man. What's going on, bro? CRO going up on a Wednesday. Been in crypto now for 5 years. I have a business, and I had a customer 5 years ago who asked me if I would take crypto as payment. I almost said no, but decided why not. Bro, Mike, nice job, bro. Nice job, man. You know, I found out just randomly. I found out randomly. In 2018, just randomly found out about Bitcoin and crypto through a coworker. Huh. So, Mike, what cryptos does your business? First of all, what kind of business do you have, if you don't mind me asking? And what cryptocurrencies does your business accept as payment? Neo 101 said, I just made 206% long on CRO, 5 minutes. Let's go. I'm assuming you caught this right here, bro. Did you catch that? Look at CRO right now on the 15-minute. I love this indicator, bro. I tell you what, this indicator, I mean, it works out so beautifully almost every time. Look at it. Look how it bounced perfectly on this indicator. This is a free indicator, guys. What's going on, Hell Blah? It's good to see you finally in a stream, bro. Let's go. Excavation and mainly build horse arenas for high-end clients. Nice, bro. Nice. So what cryptocurrencies does your business accept as payment? Hell Blah, I totally understand, man. I appreciate you being here, bro. Hey, Hell Blah, I'm right there with you, bro. I'm patiently waiting for the right moment. Patiently waiting for the right moment. I do have a plan. And I am sticking to it. I am not selling. And because unless for some reason unless something changes in the charts and it tells me that I need to sell before where I think it's going to go. I mean, I might change my mind if something is telling me to in the charts. But as of right now, I have nothing indicating to me that I should be selling yet. You know, ETH is only at 4,500. I plan on selling my Ethereum. I had a buddy earlier today mention the $7,500 price level for Ethereum. And I got to thinking about, you know, looking at the price history of ETH and where it came from, where it's at now, and how far it would have to go to get to 7,500, how far it would have to go to get to 10K and 15K. And I got to thinking about it, and I was like, you know what? It almost makes more sense that ETH would go to 7,500. Think about the previous cycles. Where was everybody expecting the price to go? Where was everybody expecting Bitcoin to go last cycle? And where did it top out at? It's almost as if the market cycles top out about 25% under where the masses are expecting it to go. And it's almost like it does it every time. And I think that the market makers are the ones that do that. The big holders, the ones that, like BlackRock, that are scooping up large amounts of crypto, Bitcoin, ETH, and have been for years, even though they were telling people that it was a scam. They've been buying. They trust me, bro. They do now have the power to really shape these markets. And you know, I don't like it because honestly, that's not what crypto was supposed to be, right? I don't think that it's going to be that big of a deal because of the fact that they are getting in, you know, even though they've tried fighting it for too long, you know, they stayed in the fight stage for way too long. So now they're stuck, selling their Bitcoin at 100,000. They were selling their Bitcoin at $100,000 to, and buying Bitcoin at $70,000, while all the early holders. I mean, if you think about it, when we talk about the greatest wealth transfer in history, what does that mean? How are we transferring wealth, and where are we transferring the wealth from and to? Who were the first people buying and holding Bitcoin? Other than, Silk Road. Other than Silk Road, who were the first people buying, holding Bitcoin? Who were the first people buying and holding cryptocurrency or altcoins in general at all? The little guy. The little guy. The nerd. I mean, most of us were just, it was like, the early adopters of Bitcoin, gamers, computer programmers, and then everybody else that started hopping on board. All of us are like-minded. We all are in crypto for the same reasons. Well, most of us. A lot of us are in it for the gains. I guess the majority of the people are in crypto for the gains. A lot of us are in it for also the tech and what it means for our future too, though. That was the biggest thing for me, learning about it in 2018. And I really feel like compared to 2018, where we're at now in the crypto space is weird, man. It's not the same. And that's okay. You expect these changes, I guess, and we just have to adapt. But it is definitely not the same. What is going on, Lunchable? Hell Blah, Neo. Appreciate you guys in the chat, man, showing out tonight. Much love to all of you guys for smashing that like button, too. But yes, freedom. Freedom. And Hell Blah said, I'm in crypto because F banks. Yes, sir. See, I'm telling you, bro. And see, all of us that understand the seriousness of this, there is no telling us different, bro. You cannot convince us that we're wrong because we're not wrong. You can't. Oh, there's only one truth. There's only one truth. Everything else is opinion. Everything else is opinion. There's only one truth. And guess what? We have proof that we've been right this whole time. But you know what? It don't matter. It don't matter. You can throw that proof in front of the no corners face all day long. You know, the no coiners. You could throw it in front of their face all day long, and they're still gonna be like, well, whatever. That's okay, man. To each their own. But I'll tell you what, I'm all in on crypto. All in, baby. All in. 100%. Are you all in too? Man, smash the like if you are, and answer the poll in the chat. Are you excited to be in crypto? So far, we got 20 votes, and you know what? As expected, hell yeah. Hell yeah. You are a very smart man. I tip my hat to you. Mike, I appreciate you. We just are just early ones. You know, we are, and, I've been trying to tell people for the past couple of years that you're still early too. We're all still early. But not for long, man. I've been preaching that the time for the average person, the average Joe, to really have a stake in this land, man, that is the digital asset land. For you to really have a stake in this place, man, you need to be jumping in. If not, the next cycle, man, it could be the last chance. I'm not saying jump in now, of course. We're halfway, if not a little past halfway through the cycle. I mean, you could still make gains, but I believe the better option would be to wait for the bear market if you're still on the fence. If you don't hold any crypto at all right now, you're still on the fence, then you might want to hold off for a little bit. You might want to wait. You might want to just put that into cash, let that shit sit for a little bit, gain some interest somewhere. Hey, if you want to dabble in crypto, at least put it in a stable coin. Put it in USDC and let it sit, and then, do your research, educate yourself on this market, and then ape the hell in during the bear market. Or DC, yeah, ape or DCA. Sorry. My Dejan spirit came out there a little bit. My bad. But yeah, ape or DCA, preferably DCA, Neo. Hats off to you, man. Keeping me grounded. But yeah, ape in, DCA, whatever your preference, man. I tell you what, at 15K Bitcoin, I was telling everybody and my mom, literally everybody and my mom, And everybody else's mom too. I was telling everybody, man, 15K Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin. They're like, what's Bitcoin? I'm like, bro, we trying to come up over here, bro. We trying to come up. Oh, the real question now, the $1 million question for real. No, I'm not kidding. The real $1 million question right now is, what is Bitcoin's next bear market low? That is the real $1 million question, because who's trying to take these alt season gains and dump it into Bitcoin? If I had enough to buy one whole Bitcoin, if I made enough off of my altcoins to buy one whole Bitcoin in the bear market, by George, I'm doing it. I'm doing it, and then I'm just going to hodl that thing. I don't care. I'm going to stack some more on top of it, hodl that thing. And when I'm in a hell of profits in Bitcoin, then I can start rotating it out. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm just like you guys. I don't have one whole Bitcoin yet. You know? I mean, I say that. I don't mean to offend anybody. If you got a whole Bitcoin or 2 Bitcoins or 5 Bitcoins or 10 Bitcoins in the chat, kudos to you, bro. Shout out to you. You should start a YouTube channel. But, you know, I don't have a whole Bitcoin yet. I'm still trying to get a whole Bitcoin. I feel like we all are trying to get a whole Bitcoin, right? I don't know about you guys, but I am. And if you're not trying to get a whole Bitcoin, you need to be trying to get a whole Bitcoin. I think that's one thing we all overlook, and a lot of people overlook, is the importance of holding and having Bitcoin. 21 million cap supply, you know? You should hold Bitcoin. You should buy Bitcoin and you should hold it. I mean, all of us should be trying to get a whole Bitcoin. Hell, blah. 4x on Bitcoin is still so much on the bone. But still, these altcoins haven't even started. Hell, blah. I 100% agree with you. %1,000% lunchable connoisseur. Lunchable connoisseur. Oh, that's funny. Yes. Oh, you know what? Welcome to the stream, guys. Let's go, baby. Shiba Inu has aggressive burn model, so it's even better than BTC. Less and less coins each year. You know, but I mean, Shiba Inu, what is Shiba Inu's circulating supply right now? I don't know. I like SHIB. You know, I only have one meme coin right now in my portfolio. I've only got one meme coin in my portfolio. I had more earlier on, but I've consolidated into ETH. CRO has been testing this downtrend, and we're waiting for it to break out. I do believe, I mean, we're past 25 cents now. CRO is at 26 cents. And on the 15-minute, we're testing for a nice breakout of this triangle right here. Point of control coming in at 26,627, right there at that previous breakdown point. Lunchable connoisseur, I appreciate that input right there. I'm hoping for like a 64K bear market. Previous all-time high. I just like to DCA when the RSI on the daily is oversold. Nice strategy there, lunchable connoisseur. You know, we can hope for a 64K bear market. We can sure hope for a 64K bear market. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go, CRO. There we go. Pump it. Break the POC, and it's game time. Break the POC. Break it, baby. Keep hoping. Neo said keep hoping for 64K. Hey, I'm right there with you. I can hope for a 64K Bitcoin, but I'm a little nervous about it too, man. To be honest, there's too much happening. Too much big money is buying up Bitcoin in the just I don't even know what you would call it. The bushel? Bitcoin bushels, baby. We buying Bitcoin in the bushel. Mark me down. Top 420K. Bear market low 86K. Next cycle BTC. Now, why is the top going to be 420? But you know what? Why are they investing 420 billion? If it's not, then ban me. Bro, I'm not gonna ban you. Woo! Crow could not pass that POC yet. Look. But remember, if we do pass it, 15-minute breakout coming. I mean, we technically broke the downtrend, bro. You broke that shit. You broke that, but oh, that's a beautiful break, honestly. Honestly, that's a 15-minute break right there. That's beautiful. It's just that's pretty hefty right there. Let's get above that. Let's see a 27. Let's see a 27-cent crow. $0.27 crow with a continuation to the upside. Come on. Hey, I appreciate y'all showing up tonight and smashing that like button. We've already got almost 20 likes on the stream tonight. That's good. That's good for us, bro. That's good already. We're doing good, man. I appreciate you. Let's go. I don't have my rocket overlay anymore, but I need to get that loaded back up into Streamlabs so that when we got a nice pump going on, we can blast the rocket into space, bro. Okay, we broke the POC. Close the 15-minute candle above the POC within the next 7 minutes. Bullish continuation. 28-cent high. Can we break it? 28-cent high. Can we break it? Bro, why is Nightbot? Bro, Nightbot's on a tear right now, Hellblaw. Bro, why is Hellblaw deleting all your, or why is Nightbot deleting all your messages, Hellblaw? For using too many rockets, bro. Oh, I see. Dang, bro. Dang, I'm gonna have to chill Nightbot out, man. That's ridiculous, man. If we want to spam some rockets in the chat, we should be able to spam some rockets in the chat, damn it. I mean, come on, Nightbot. Come on, Nightbot. Nightbot bear confirmed. Hey, let's close up here. Let's close, Crow. Close above the POC. Gosh dang, bro. I'm so tempted right now, man. I want to go long on Dogecoin, bro. Doge below 22 cents. I want to go long on, I want to put a slong on everything, man. Oh my goodness. Let's just put a slong on everything. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh my. You know, that makes you hot, don't it? That gets you hot right there. A break like that, you can't help if just get all hot and bothered on something like that. That's too hot right there. Oh my. Oh. 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 Oh no. 30 and a half. Yes, sir. Listen, resistance. Resistance is what? Resistance is what? Resistance is futile. All right, Crow. Let's go. Hmm. 27. I just bought some more Doge 5 minutes ago. Hell, blah, let's go, man. Let's go. Let's see if we can get us to 20 likes, y'all. We're at 17, man. 3 more likes. Let's see it. I appreciate you being here, y'all. It has been wonderful watching Crow, man. I mean, it has been wonderful seeing you guys win, you know? That's what it's about, man. We want to see each other win. We want everybody to win. I want everybody to win. There is no reason for us to not want anybody to win. You know what I'm saying? Like, what kind of person do you got to be to not want other people to win at life, man? What kind of person? You got to be a pretty bad person, man, to just because you're that miserable that you don't want other people to win in life, man. I couldn't imagine being that way. I could not imagine being that miserable or that unhappy or whatever. I don't know, man. Maybe those people need us. Maybe they need us. They need us, man. Pray for those people, bro, because that's an awful way to be. Exactly, Mike. Stregelhart, I agree. Right now, it's kind of up in the air. As far as an entry goes, you know, this 15-minute Crow breakout is nice. The MACD, however, I don't like, anytime I'm going to look at a trade, I always come out and I look at the 4-hour. Look at the 4-hour MACD. I mean, I just don't know that we're going to get above like 30 cents yet. But we might, we're pumping right now. I just know that it looks like to me that we should be, even on the 1 minute, even looks ready. What is going on, Brahma? Welcome back. Alan, what's going on? Welcome in. Dropped a like, used casino winnings to buy some Crow. Let's go. That's what's up. Sunday night. Been buying every week during the whole bear market. So you are feeling good right now then, Alan. You are feeling good. I appreciate the like button smash, man, and I appreciate you joining us. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Check the link for I don't know if we got the Discord in the description or not, honestly. But I do have my X in the description. Definitely follow me on X. But yeah, the 15-minute breakout is pretty significant. The bounce off of this indicator has been beautiful. These would have been nice little moves to get something on. That song was killing me, bro. And we could just hit 20 likes. Shout out to each and every one of you guys, man. Can Crow get above the resistance here? Pull off this measure move to 30.5 cents and make you guys some money. Gotta stay hydrated. We got the coconut water. Yeah. That's coming, man. Party streams are coming. Don't worry. Party streams are coming. But we are gonna keep it. We ain't gonna do like before, y'all. We ain't gonna do like before. I personally, I have not been drinking alcohol. Like, honestly, I don't think I've been drinking alcohol hardly at all. And if I do, I have like maybe a couple of beers or something, or maybe a couple of drinks, maybe a couple of drinks of whiskey. But yeah, it won't be like before, y'all. It won't be like before. I ain't gonna be on stream just killing bottles, you know. Was not healthy, bro. I was staying up all night getting hammered with you guys, man. Not healthy. Alan, I appreciate you subscribing, bro. Thank you, my man. Oh yes, Trigger Heart. You know, even under 10K subscribers, we were pumping the streams, man. We were honestly, we were killing it. And we're gonna be right back. Just wait, bro. Oh, my bad. I did not mean to do that. Hellblock, man, it's tough. It's a tough call tonight. You know, this breakout would have been a good trade, man. I would have been a great trade, y'all. 15-minute crow breakout right now. Pushing towards 30 cents. Dinner. I have to run. Because I do have to go have some dinner. But you know, this live stream, the point of this live stream mostly was for the loyal ones here, y'all, which is everybody in the chat tonight. And I appreciate you guys. Just to let you guys know, man, I wasn't kidding, bro. I wasn't kidding when I said, you know, we're going to come all the way back, man. I was not kidding, bro. I didn't drop $2,000, bro. I didn't do all this. I didn't do all this for nothing, man. Thanks, Hellblob. I have a bottle of Jack Daniels I bought 38 years ago that I've been waiting to drink once I hit 60, almost there. Bro, what? You got a bottle of Jack from 38 years ago? Oh man, that sounds good. I bet that is gonna taste so good. Oh man, I just, like I told you though, I'm not drinking like I used to, man. I just don't hardly drink at all anymore. I did, Helpblob. Lunchable connoisseur, I appreciate you. Hellblaw, I got a whole new setup, bro, and it's nice. It is real nice. And so far, man, we have been doing good. I'm not sure if we'll have any issues from here on out, but right now, man, Right now, right now we're looking good, man. I mean, it's really, it's like, it's so crisp, and like I can't even I can't even begin to explain it, man. Like, it's just, it's beautiful, honestly. Got some old peas for 500k BTC. What? Bull market computer set it up. Love to see it. Happy for you. Hell, I appreciate you, man. Yes. You know, I needed it. The old laptop wasn't cutting it no more, man. The old laptop just was not cutting it no more. Honestly, I mean, I probably could have went a little cheaper, honestly, though. If the 1 hour MACD crosses, well, you know, see, this is the tough call, man. You know, it's a tough call. The LSMA, you're in between the, let's see. That's the 20. You're in between the 20 EMA and the LSMA. And these guys here know I don't like when the LSMA gets crossed. I don't like when the LSMA gets crossed like it did right here. And, you know, now you're up here, you're retesting the LSMA after you crossed it right here. Got rejected by it right there, as well as the downtrend. So I don't like this right here. Not a big fan of that. I'd want to see us get up here. We'd need to be above this. I mean, this could easily hold you back, potentially. But if we cross over above the LSMA, you know, the MACD on the hourly also is pretty high up here, man. Look at that. Look at how high we are. So, you know, I love this, though. I love doing this, man, because, you know, you can, once you do it enough, you get a knack for things, man, and you start just seeing stuff in the charts. You just see it. You can see it. Sometimes you can see it without even putting any lines in, you know? You just can see it. You know? You just can see it. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. See what I mean by you can just see it? Look, prime example. Prime example of how you can just see it in the charts, bro. Like, I can just look at, you know, there's the inverse head and shoulders, the measure move of the inverse head and shoulders, literally perfect. To the wick. Measure move, tip of the wick. Oh. Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you, Alan. My bad. You know, anyways, what I was saying is, this is what I just did. I'm going to go up here and just back it out. So, this is what I was doing the whole time I was talking to you guys. I put in this inverse head and shoulders, but I was like, you know, sometimes you can just look at a chart. You've been doing this long enough. You look at a chart and you can just see it. And boom, boom, boom. Measure move, boom. Measure move, hit the wick, tip of the wick, boom. So, that right there. That right there. Being able just to spot stuff like that, you know. 1 hour, this is a Solana chart, by the way. 1 hour Solana chart, inverse head and shoulders right there. Measure move with the inverse head and shoulders. Lined up perfectly. Good example right there. CRO on the 15 minutes, still breaking higher here. We did get above that resistance. That's a positive. We were having a heart to heart. That was a heart to heart, bro. Honestly, bro. But guys, I wasn't prepared for this. Again, like I said, I just wanted to hop on here real quick, give you guys my brief take on, just kind of like a recap on our stream from on CRO. Just to recap on this, because I think we're still, I mean, CRO is not really showing signs of slowing down right now. Look, the only thing we're doing slow is slowly moving to the upside. Slowly but surely. And, you know, we may do this for a long time. CRO may do this for a while now. We may not get any major pullbacks for CRO at this point. We may continue to rise and consolidate into more breakouts. I mean, so far that is exactly what has happened. We have really had no big pullbacks yet. Nothing but little healthy consolidations into the next leg up. That's it so far. And the 15-minute breakout has been playing out beautifully so far with us. We've been watching this on the stream so far, all stream. We've watched it break out of this. I mean, that's a perfect break too. I reiterate on this. That's a perfect break of that resistance. And so we also broke this resistance. We're breaking a lot of resistance. CRO is doing big things right now. This is big. We're pushing up towards 40 cents, y'all. CRO is doing big things right now. I mean, the pump is on, y'all. Look at that. Look at the weekly, bro. Look at that weekly chart. And, you know, we have already broken everything. You broke this resistance. You broke the channel. You broke the triangle. You broke the downtrend. The weekly resistance from the downtrend. You've broken everything. And the pump continues on. The pump continues on. Let's go. The pump continues. The pump continues. Look at that. Look at that. Can we make it to my measured move target of 30.5 cents, or will we get stopped out here at this local high of 28.5 cents at the candle close? Right now we are ranging, bro. We're going to find a nice range, I think. We might find a nice little range of support right here. You got above that nicely. Hydration station. Got the good old coconut water. Oh. Alan, I appreciate you, man. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for subscribing, smashing that like, and I hope to see you in the next one, man. Oh. Who was calling for that earlier? Somebody said that earlier. Somebody was like, man, it's gonna be 420. Who said that? It's gonna be 420k, baby. 420k. Hey, I really do gotta bounce, y'all. I don't want to, but I really can't. I didn't even plan to go live, so I can't stay forever tonight. I really wish I could, man. But hey, so far things look good, man. If we don't have any issues anymore, as long as I don't have any more issues going live, then I'll be going live. I'll be going live on the regular from here on out, man. We had some issues in the past, but right now, man, right now, I mean, these streams have been crisp as a freaking blade of grass on a cool August morning, man. Oh, let's go, Neo. Let's go. Can you believe we came up to that wick, man? Of all things, we came up to this wick. Of all things, for these candle closes here to not... Unless we close this candle above that. Much love, Striggerheart. What's up, J-Dub? I appreciate you being here. I'm probably about to head out, but shout out to you guys, man. It's been a good stream, bro. I appreciate everybody here, for real. It's been a good stream. We doing the damn thing right now. Doing the damn thing. Let's go. Oh man, it's been great, man. It's been great. It's good. It's good. John 316, what's going on? Welcome back. We are out of here though. Thank you guys, man. I appreciate it. I'm gonna put my camera back down where it goes. But again, I appreciate y'all. I will see you on the next one. If there's anything real, you know, if there's any big news or anything going on tomorrow, I'll probably try to go live sometime during the day. I won't be able to go live anytime in the evening tomorrow because I will get my daughter tomorrow all through the weekend. I'll have her until Monday. Expect some videos coming soon, though. Haven't uploaded a good price prediction video in a while. So definitely expect some videos coming soon. I want to make sure that we do this the right way this time, y'all. The healthy way, the right way, the healthy way, everything, you know? And we can still have fun, man. I ain't got to be shit-faced drunk on the stream to have fun. Sorry, but, you know, I can't do it no more. Can't do it, bro. I know that in the past that was a big thing, man. I got a hella super chats, too. Hella super chats for doing it, but... For one, bro, we're trying to make money. I can't make money if I'm trying to trade drunk, bro. If anything, it might make good content if people want to watch somebody get wrecked. Literally, in more ways than one. But we're not going to do that. I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.